What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? Shooting this video. It's Thursday, Throwback Thursday, what everybody want to call it on hashtag when they be on Thursday on social media and everything. But shout out to everybody, man, that's still joining the programs, TCP, MCA. Shout out to everybody that's still coming in Power Mining Pool. So for everybody to think I don't promote Power Mining Pool, yes, I do. I just have to go through so many disclaimers because there's so many butt-hurt motherfuckers. And when it comes to that crypto space, I'm telling you, man, when it goes crypto, man, you gotta, if you're gonna be a recruiter, if people fail, man, or something happens on the platform, you're gonna be the first one to get blamed, man. So that's the only thing about crypto when it comes to certain investment type programs. So if you're gonna do crypto things, you know, really do your research on the program, know what you're getting into, and no one's pulling your finger and telling you to join them. So if you like, you know, what you see, you know, that's totally up to you. You play in that field if you want to. I know what I chose to do, and I know what I'm doing, I know what I'm getting, but that's all I can say. That's pretty much all I can say. So Power Mining Pool, yes, it's jumping still doing its thing every 3 hours. But I really wanted to talk about, you know, like I say, man, you know, if you're looking to make some money, you definitely want to be looking into the Conversion Pros and MCA. I say it both because the Conversion Pros is the marketing system that runs MCA. I call it the Paid on Fridays funnel because both of those companies pay out on Fridays. MCA pays out Friday morning, ACH, and direct deposit. And TCP pays out, you know, usually that Friday. It could be afternoon, evening. They'll give you the alert that your credit wallet is full, ready to go, and you can withdraw it to your PayPal, whatever you do from there. Okay, so some people will take out $50 and buy leads. Some people might, you know, just leave it in there and then, you know, cash out higher amounts. It's whatever you want to do. So that's why I say they tie hand in hand because it's a marketing system. When I tell people about MCA, I don't always just say, you know, you can make money with this company. You can make 80 to $1,000+ but I'm also wanting to tell you what exactly some of the things that you're going to need, because you're still going to need tools. You know, when people were, you know, doing their thing for gold, they still needed tools. You know, they couldn't just go do it with their hands. They had to go get tools. And a lot of people that made money in that end were the people that sold the picks, the shovels, and things like that. So that is why I say, you know, you still want to have tools. There's a lot of money in making money with tools. Okay, so if you're gonna be into this business, you want to have a marketing system. You want to have something that's gonna have all the tools all in one. You want to have something that's duplicatable for your team. You want to have, so if your team wants the same exact stuff that you have, you want to be able to give it to them. You know, and I can give you that with the actual share code with my system there. So that's why I love the Conversion Pros. I can say, here's the code, you copy it, I can make a video for you, show you how to do it. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am.